Lucida handwriting is very simple and easy to learn. All the 26 small letters are found by using few common strokes and patterns. Either we have to use a complete stroke or part of stroke to form these letters. For example, the first stroke, like C shape, curved C shape, with this pattern we can practice letters C, E, O and S. The second oval stroke, we can practice letters A, D, G and Q. And with the next stroke, we can practice letters B, F, H, K, L and T. And the next stroke, we can practice letters I, J, P, M, N, R, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These letters can be further divided into different zones of letters depending upon where they are written on the 4 rules. The letters which are written between first line and third line of 4 rules are upper zone letters. There are totally 6 upper zone letters like B, D, H, K, L and T. And there are 14 middle zone letters written between second line and third line. A, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X and Z. And there are 5 lower zone letters written between second line and fourth line of 4 rules like G, J, P, Q and Y. And there is one all zone letter F which touches all 4 lines of 4 rules. And now we'll see how to write these letters.